Hello, my dear students in grade 4. In this video, I will explain lesson 3. This is a first part, and in the second part, I will solve exercise 3. In lesson 3, we have two main points, many ways to write and composing and decomposing. Many ways to write, how we can write any number in many ways or in different forms. You can write number in standard form, expanded form, word form, or short word form. But you can't write the number in word form and short word form if you can't write number in words like this. If you don't know how you can write 12, how you can write million, how you can write thousands, milliard, and so on, you can't write a word form. In this place value chart, we have number, and we will write this number in many ways. First way or first form is standard form. To write any number in standard form, you should focus well how many periods you have in this number. Here we have 3 periods. Start with the highest place, millions. Write the digits inside this place. 3, 7, 7, 8. We have here 3 digits. Write 7, 7, 8. Put comma. Next period in thousands place we have 3, 4, 0. Write all digits and put comma. Last period we have 821. 778,340,821. Focus well and put this in your mind. Commas are used to show periods. To know how many periods in the number, you should see how many commas or how many parts or how many periods. Next form, expanded form. To can write the number in expanded form, you should see the periods. You should see the highest place. What we write here, what we have here, we have 7. Write 7, and instead of all digits before 7, write zeros. 7 and 8 zeros. Plus, next place, 7 in 10,000, in 10 millions place, we have 7. Write 7 and 7 zeros, 8 and 6 zeros, plus we finish the first period. Go to next period, 3 and 5 zeros, 4 and 4 zeros, but focus well if you have 0 in any place. If you have 0, that meaning you have nothing. You shouldn't write anything here. Go to next place. We have 8 in hundreds. Write 8 and 2 zeros, and next place 2. Write 2, 20. Last place we have 1. You should write 1 in the end. Focus well and read this note. Zero are not needed in expanded form because there is nothing in that place value. If you have in any place 0 in any place, don't write anything in expanded form. Next form, we can write the number in word form. If you want to write number in word form, you should read the number and focus well how many periods. Take first period. We have and read it. Read the number in this period. 778 million. You should write, as you said, 778 million. Next period we have in thousands. We have 340,000. Right, 340,000. Read here 821. 821. Don't say once. 821 only. Last form, short word form. Short word form mixing between standard and word form. You can write the digits and write the name of period or name of place in words only. 778 millions, word millions or millions in word only. 340,000, 821, and in last period we don't write anything. We have 2 examples. First example, he tell you write each number in standard form. You have 2 numbers here, number in expanded form and the next one in word form. To write the number in a standard form, you should see how many periods you have here. We have 9 milliard, 300 million, 20,006,430. That meaning in million, the meaning you have 4 periods, make 4 periods like this. And biggest or highest period, we write 9 in 1 milliard. Write 9 and go to next number. We have 3,000 or 3 million or 3 million, 3 million. That meaning 300 million. You should write in 100 millions place, write 3. Next one, 20 million, 20 and 10 millions place, write 2. But here, what we write here? Nothing, write 0. 600,000, write 6 in 100,000 place. 400 here in hundreds place, and here what we write? 0, 0. 4, 30, write 3, and in ones place write 0. Next one, if you have number in word form like this, 3 milliard, 3 milliard, milliard meaning you have 4 periods. 3 in milliard place, write 3. 600 million, 100 million. This period, the name of this period is million. In ones, tens, 100 million, write 6. 540,000. We go to next period. But here and here in ones and tens million, nothing, write zeros. 540,000. 500, write 5 in hundreds place. 44 in 10,000 place, and nothing in 1,000 place. 650, 6 in hundreds, 5 in tens, 0 in ones. Next example, write each number in word form. We have 2 numbers. First number in standard form, second number in expanded form, and he want to write it in or write them in word form. To write, I said to write any number in word form, you should read the number. And after you read digit or place, write it. We will start from left side. 4 what? 4 milliard. Okay, write down 4 milliard. Here in the next period, we have 8 in 1 million. In 1 million's place. So you should say 4 milliard, 8 million. Write 8 million down. 11 in thousands place, we have 11 what? 11,000, because we are in the second period or in the thousands place, so you should say 11,000. 91, 11,091. Next one, 60 million. You should see if you have another number in million. We have here 7 million. So together is one period. 67 million. Comma, because we finished the first period. Go to next number 200,000. Do you see any thousand? Yes, we have 40,000. 2 numbers together is a period like this. 240. What? In which place or in which place? Yes, in which period? In thousands. So you should say 240,000. 513. Right? 513. Here you should check your understanding. Write each number in standard form. We have 2 numbers, one in expanded form, second number in word form. To write the number in standard form, I said you should write periods before start to write. We have here 5 milliard. 5 milliard meaning 4 periods. You should put 4 periods like this. 5 in 1 milliard. So you should write 5 in the first or highest place. 70,000. 70,000 here, thousands in the second period. That meaning you have nothing in millions place. So put zeros in the 3 digits in millions place. 70 meaning here in 10,000 place. In 100,000 place, what we write? 0. And here in 10 write 7. And here we have 1,000, so you write 1 in thousands place. 40 here in tens place. 49, and that meaning you should write here in hundreds 0, 4 in tens, and 9 in ones place. B, 558,037,014, highest place or highest period million, meaning you should have 3 periods only. 58 meaning the 5 in 10, 8 in 1 million. 58 million. 37,000 in thousands place we have 37. Here nothing, 0. Here 3, 7. Last period we have 14. 14 meaning in hundreds place nothing, in tens place 1, in ones place 4. Next exercise, he tell you write the number or the word form. Write the word form of the number 3,300,30,303. Start from left side. Here we will write word form. I said if you want to write word form, say the number or read the number. 3 what? 3 milliard. Yes, right? 3 milliard. Next, 300 million. Right, 300 million. 30,000. Right, 30,000. 303. Finished. Okay, so easy if you read each period. Write the expanded form of the number 7,608,490 in expanded form. To write any number in expanded form, I said write the digit and all number before or all digits before this digit is zeros. 7 and 6 zeros. This is highest place. Write 7, 6 zeros plus 6, 5 zeros plus what? An expanded form or zeros are needed. Are not needed in a standard in expanded form. Nothing. We don't write anything. Go to next place or next digit. 8. 8,000. Yes, 8,000. Next digit. 4. 4 what? 400. 4 and 2 zeros. 9. 90. Now we finished writing the number in expanded form. Next point in this lesson, composing and decomposing a number. What the meaning of composing? Composing meaning put together, put digits together. Decomposing meaning broken apart, like or as you see now. You can decompose the number 5,456,387 in different ways using a place value chart. We have here our place value chart, and we have two ways to write or to decompose the number. First way, expanded form. That meaning if he tell you decompose this number, you can write the number in expanded form. This is your answer. Okay, and now we will start. In the first period, we have one digit only. We have 5. 5 and how many digits before 5? 6. So write 5 and 6 zeros. In the second period, we have 4 in hundreds place. That meaning you should write 4 with 5 zeros. And next period, we have 5 in 10,000 place. So you should write 5 and 5 zeros. Next place, we have 6 in 1,000 place. 6 and 3 zeros, 6,000. In the next period, we have in hundreds, we have 3, write 300. 8 in 10, in tens place, write 80. 7 in ones place, you should write 7. Here we should write 7 in last place. Decompose the number with the next way or second way. We have here in the value chart, we have 5 in million, in 1 million. That meaning in which place in 1 million, that you should multiply 5 times 1 million. We have 4 in 100,000, in 100,000s. That meaning you should multiply 4 times 100,000. 5 in which place? In 10,000th place. That meaning you should multiply 5 times 10,000th place. Here we have 6 in 1,000th place. That meaning you should multiply 6 times 1,000th place. 3 in hundreds, multiply 3 times 100. 8 in 10th place, you should multiply 8 times 10. And 7 in 1st place, multiply 7 times 1. Now we make decompose this number with 2 ways, expanded form and multiply by 10, multiply by 10, 100, 1,000 and so on. We have here example. Complete the following. He tell you here decompose. We will start to write the digits, all digits inside the chart in the first. In the first period we have 8 in millions place. In the second period we have in millions place 3 digits, 0 in hundreds, 3 in tens, 5 in second period 402, 4 in hundreds, 0 in tens, 2 in ones. Last period 176, 1 in hundreds, 7 in tens, 6 in ones. Decompose. Here we have 8 in milliards. 8 in milliards place or 1 milliard place. That meaning you should multiply 8 times 1 milliard plus 0. Nothing. Don't write anything here like expanded form. 3 and 10 millions. 3 and 10 millions place. That meaning write 3 and multiply 10 millions place. 5 in 1 million place. Multiply 5 times 1 million place. 4 in 100,000. Write 4 times 100,000. 0 in 10,000. So you should write nothing here. Don't write anything here. 2 in 1,000, write 2 times 1,000. 1 in hundreds, so you should write 1 times 100. 7 in tens, so you should multiply 10 times 10. And in ones place we have 6. Multiply 6 times 1. B. Decompose. He gives you a number after make decompose. He wants you make compose of this number or decompose this number. He wants you decompose this number. In the first, put the values or put the digits inside the place value chart. First number here 7 times 1 million. That meaning in 1 million place write 7. 900,000 in 100,000 write 9. 8 times 1,000 in 1,000 write 8 and in tens put 0. 2 times 10 in tens place write 2 and in hundreds put 0. In ones place we have 5. Now we can write the number in standard form. 7,908,025. Number 2, decompose the following numerals using expanded form. First one, we have 340,051. It's so easy. You can write the number to make decompose. You can write the number in expanded form. 300, write 3 and 5 zeros like this. 4 and 4 zeros. 40,000. 50 plus 1. Next one. 3 millions. This number in short word form. 3,409,735. 3 millions, write 3 and the 6 zeros because he said 3 millions. 400, write 400,000. 9,000. 735. Last one, 23,200,841. 23 million, write 20 million. 3,200,000, write 200,000. 800, write 800. 40, write 40. 1, write 1. So easy. You can write any number in, or you can make decompose or compose to any number. Check your answer or your understanding. Complete the following. We have here compose. He tell you here compose 7,504,092,415. To make decompose, I said you can make write your number like this, multiply times 1 milliard, 1 million, and so on, or you can write the number in expanded form. We will multiply 7 in which place? In 1 milliard. So let's write 7 times 1 million. 5 times 100, or 5 in 100 million. So we will write 5 times 100 million. Here nothing, don't write anything like expanded form. 4 in 1 million. So you should multiply 4 times 1 million. And in 100,000 we don't have anything. 9 in 10,000, so you should write or multiply 9 times 10,000. 2 in 1,000, multiply 2 times 1,000, and 4 times 100, 1 times 10, 5 times 1. Next one, he wants you compose 3 times 1 milliard. So write 3 in 1 milliard. This is first period from the left side. 2 times 100 million. So in the next period, in hundreds place, in period million, you should write 2. 5 times 10 million. So in tens millions place, write 5. Write 5. In 4 in times 100,000, write here 0, because we go to next period, thousands place. In 100 thousands place, write 4. In 10 thousands place, write 7. In 1,000 place, write 8. Next period, 6 times 10, that meaning in hundreds nothing, you should put 0, and the 6 in tens. 9 times 1 meaning 1, 9 times 1 meaning 9 in one's place. Now we finished explain lesson 3, and see you in the exercise. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.